This video is about creating a YouTube account, uploading a video, and actually shooting the video from your TV set. So let's go to YouTube. You can just search for youtube.com. We're going to sign in with a new account. I'm going to use the account I've been using for the class. Remember, this is the Gmail account. You should have created this before logging on to YouTube. So we click Next. Find YouTube. We want to go to Creator Studio. And we have to create a channel. This is just a formality. Don't worry about it. It's pretty simple. Nobody is going to see this information. But you can have multiple channels, and that's what they're asking for. I don't use multiple channels. Now, very similar to Flickr, in the upper right-hand corner is an upload. We're going to upload the video. And we're going to select the video that we just shot from our TV. And we're going to go to the Nikon file. Going to go to this. And we have the video clip from today. So we're going to upload that. This can take anywhere from a couple minutes to maybe 10 minutes, depending on the file size. This is a fairly large file, so this is going to take, as it says on the screen, this is going to take about six minutes. We're close to uploading our video, and while this is continuing, there is a sign that says public, and it says unlisted, private, and scheduled. You can use either public or unlisted, because the only place this is going to be listed is on your Flickr account. Typically, I just use public. It doesn't really make any difference unless you're going to maybe make this available for a group. Okay. The uploading says processing 92%. Click publish to make your video live. This typically happens at about the 90% level, so we're just going to click publish, and that just tells the system to go ahead and finish the video. We're going to let that go to 100%. It's finished. And we're going to go up the upper right hand corner. We're going to go back to the Creator Studio, and there is our video. It is still processing. That's the reason you see these little dots in here. It's still processing the upload. But the screen is now showing one of the images from your video, and we can change that as needed. So where it says edit, we're going to go to info and settings. The main thing I do here is select a image for the main video screen. Since this is universal, I'm just going to click there, and therefore the cover image will be universal. Now we can rename it. This is the file name from the video file that we uploaded, and we can just call it universal. And we can just, since we made a couple changes, we can just press save. I like to do that. If you want to play the video, you can in this screen. You've already seen the video because we just recorded that. Now, one of the interesting things that you can do is if you right-click your mouse, you see where it says Copy Embedded Code. So if you left-click your mouse on Copy Embedded Code, and let's just go down here to where it says Description. And on your keyboard, do a Control-V, like Victor. And there is basically the code, the computer code, that would embed your video in your Flickr screen. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove some of that code because we want a full screen. So you can just back up any way you want to remove everything outside the parentheses. Highlight that and press Control-C, like Charles. And now with the Control-C, that's kind of a computer operation that puts those words into the computer memory. The next step is to then transfer this information over to Flickr. We're going to take that where it says HTTPS, www, YouTube, and all that into Flickr. So we have our Flickr account open. We have made a universal album. So let's open that. And what we can do is in the album information, we can type in video. And you can see that I made a couple typing errors, so we can easily fix that. And then we're going to do a Control-V like Victor on your computer screen, and there's the embedded code. Click Save As. If we go back, one of the interesting things you can do with this is once you save is you can just click on there and see the actual album. There's our photos, and this is the video. Click here, and this is the video we just shot showing how to set up your camera. This is just an illustration.